Greetings from Summers Point, New Jersey. This is Jim Ferg from MarineMax, and this is a 2025 Sailfish 241CC. Come on board here. At the helm, we have a nice Garmin 12-inch display, Fusion stereo system, digital shift. This boat does have a spotlight up top. Here's your control. Storage below the helm seat. VHF radio, storage for your PFD. Very nice seats. The bolsters do go down and the armrests fold down. Very comfortable. Below the seating here we have storage for your tackle. You have drawers and some boxes. This aft seat just folds down, very simple. There's a telescopic ski pylon with some rod holders. You have a saltwater wash down. Nice Mercury motor, white 300, live well. You do have the additional seating here. This just folds out and sticks right in place. It's real simple. Rod holders and cup holders work their way up to the gunnel, to the bow. You do have a windlass with forward rod holders, forward bow seating. You see right here I have the backrest in the fishing position, but over here you can lounge out easily, put the table in, and you're set up, have a nice lunch. There's a cooler right here, and if you were to go to the bow and look back, you'll see we have our forward spreaders, down light. There's the go light that we were speaking of earlier. And as we work our way back, again, inside the console you have a nice head compartment. There's your table for your storage. Everything stows really nice on this boat. Again, this was the 2025 Sailfish 241CC. You can reach me at 609-926-0600 or www.marinemax.com. Thanks. Have a great day.